Most of the English speakers make mistakes in their English conversations while using fixed prepositions. Now the question is, what is a fixed preposition? No worries at all. Everything is going to be cleared. Just take a look at these two phrases. Complain against and complain of. The meaning of both the phrases is the same, but we can't use them interchangeably in our English conversations. For example, we can say, we complained against him, but we can't say we complained of him. That's wrong. Similarly, we can say the villagers complained of water shortage, but we can't say the villagers complained against water shortage. That's wrong. Why is it so? Well, just take a look at the first phrase, that is complain against. So English says when you say complain against, there has to be a person after the preposition against. So the preposition against is fixed preposition when you want to talk about any person. So complain against, and then there will be the name of a person or any person. Similarly, when you say complain of, then there has to be any problems or issues or something like that, because the preposition of is fixed when you want to talk about any issues or problems. So in second sentence, the villagers complained of water shortage is correct, because water shortage is not a person, right? And therefore we are using the preposition of. In first sentence we are talking about a person, and therefore we are using the preposition against. Similarly, we will take a look at second pair of words, that is enter and enter into. If I say I entered into my house, that's wrong. But if I say the employees entered into a contract that they will work with the company for next 2 years, this is correct. Now let me tell you why the first sentence is wrong. Well, English says if you are using enter to talk about any place, then don't use into. Okay, don't use any preposition after the word enter. So house is a place, and therefore I am not using the preposition that is into after the word enter. For example, you can say he entered the office, she entered the hall, I entered the house, something like this. But you can't use any preposition after the word enter, especially when you are talking about any place. Similarly, English says if you are talking about any terms like discussion, contract, agreement or alliance, in that case you have to use the preposition into after the word enter. For example, they entered into discussion to resolve the issue. One more example, she entered into the alliance to win the election. Now please understand, when we use the word enter to talk about any place, we don't use into after the word enter. But when we talk about any terms like discussion, alliance or something like that, like contract, agreement, then we have to use the preposition into after the word enter, right? So in this case, into is fixed preposition that we need to use before these terms. Well, so these were some examples of fixed prepositions, and if you want to learn many of them, then you are welcome to this channel, because I am going to start a short video series on this channel which will be on fixed prepositions. So you can subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed it, and enjoy this whole series free of cost. Thank you.